In a sunlit savanna, where the grass was tall and green, lived a small lion cub named King Louie, loved by all his friends. King Louie, though small, was strong and brave, and had a heart as big as the vast savanna he came from. One day, King Louie found a lost baby elephant, all alone, and took it upon himself to help the tiny one find its home. With the sun high in the sky, they set off, across the savanna wide, King Louie leading the way, as the baby elephant by his side. They met a family of zebras, who offered advice with a friendly smile. Follow the crocodile river, it'll lead to where you're headed for a while. They followed the river, as the sun began to dip low. A new adventure unfolded as the day turned to night's glow. They pointed out the direction, and King Louie's heart rose from afar. With renewed energy, they trekked on, through the night so still, until they reached a village, where the baby elephant's family stood, athrill. The villagers cheered and clapped, their hearts full of joy, for the little lion who had bravely helped the lost baby elephant find its boy. King Louie, though small, was strong and brave, his kindness echoing through the savanna, like a gentle wave. Back home, the villagers sang songs of King Louie the Brave, a little lion who showed the world that even small hearts can save. And every night, under the African sky, the stars seemed to shine brighter, reminding all of King Louie's tale, the story of the little lion who was lighter.